video. Now we're gonna do this. A new update. And my brother interrupt me when I'm gonna do this. But look at all of it. Level 15. So now I got legendary habitat because I hacked it. If you know how to hack, leave a comment, or if you don't know, leave a comment below and I'm gonna say it to you, or put your phone number and I'm gonna email you. Now let's go to another video. Okay, bye. Sorry guys, bye. Oh, sorry about that guys, because my brother is interrupting. I just turned off it. But look at all of it. I'm just gonna. Okay guys, this is my brother. He is just interrupting me. So let's do the Dragon City full update. Now go to Dragon City full update part 1 or part 2. So do it, whatever you want. Leave a comment if you like, subscribe or like. Please guys. Now guys, we're gonna go to leave a comment below if you want to share it. Or okay, bye guys. Bye.